Hello everyone, welcome to Free Lifescience class. Again, the second part of CSI UGC NET License previous year question papers is here. So we are going to discuss some questions from previous year question paper and mainly from unit 1, that is molecules and their interactions relevant to biology. Okay, so we can move into the basically. The questions are from this unit, that is molecules and their interactions relevant to biology, and there will be live sections every day on 8:30 p.m. So don't miss it. And this is the happy news. So you will get live sections every day at 8:30 p.m. and there will be questionnaire series, and I will upload more videos regarding questionnaire series in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will get notification when I upload new videos. So let's move into the questions. The first question is, the enzyme catalyzed reaction was measured in the presence and absence of an inhibitor. For an uncompetitive inhibition, you will get 30 seconds. Yes, time up. And the answer for this question is option B. Both Km and Vmax will be decreased. So always remember that for an uncompetitive inhibition, the Km and Vmax will be decreased. So moving into the next question. So which peptide bond marked as A, B, C, D and E will be broken when the following oligopeptide is treated with trypsin at pH 7? Okay, stop. So this is from 2012 question paper and we have done same question like same format question in 2011 previous year from 2011 previous year question paper in part 1. So you know that this type of questions are repeating. So please focus on these type of question. Here you are asked that from these bond, that is A, B, C, D and E, from these bond which will be broken down when it is treated with trypsin at pH 7. Okay, so you know that when you treat with trypsin, it will cleave at the carboxy tail of lysine and arginine. So one condition for trypsin is if proline is followed by this lysine or arginine, then what happens? The cleavage will not take place. There will be no cleavage here. No cleavage. Okay. So, and the next thing is that this trypsin is an endopeptidase. So, it will not cleave at the ends. It will not cleave at the ends. If you cleave at the ends, you will get a free amino acid. So that there will be no such type of cleavage. So, it is an endopeptidase. It only cleaves inside the oligopeptide. So the first A and E is eliminated. So you can eliminate the options If they contain A and E, you can eliminate this. This is eliminated. Again, it contains E. It is eliminated. It contains E. It is eliminated. So you will get your answer. So the answer for this question is option B. Okay. So moving into the next question. Which one of the following non-covalent interactions between two non-bonded atoms A and B is most sensitive to the distance between them? Yes, your time up. So in this question, it is asked that you have to find the non-covalent interaction that formed between a two bonded atoms. Suppose it is A and this is B. So what is the interaction? And it is asked that it is most sensitive to the distance between them, and you have to find the bond between them. Basically, if these two atoms are not bonded, then it is uncharged atoms. Okay, so you can take these two options. It is uncharged, so you can always eliminate these two. After that, always remember uncharged atoms repels. They repel each other. So the answer for this question is always charged atom attract each other, uncharged atom repel each other. So answer for this question is option C. Moving to the next question. Which statement best describes the pKa of amino group in proteins? Yes, time up. The answer for this question is the pKa of alpha amino group is always lower than the pKa of epsilon amino group. So the answer for this question is option B. Okay, always remember this. The next question is, a protein has 30% alanine. If all the alanines are replaced by glycine, what happens? Yes, time up. And answer for this question is option D. And how to solve this question? That is, you are having 30% alanine content in a protein and it is replaced by glycine. You know that glycine is the simplest amino acid and it consists hydrogen groups all over. It have no other side groups, but alanine have side chains. Okay, so when the side chains are present in an amino acid, when it forms in a protein, they will help in forming a structure, a basic structure. So if you remove this alanine from a protein and replace by glycine, the basic change will happen to the structure of the protein. So if you substitute glycine instead of alanine, what will happen? You will get a less structured protein than its parent protein. Okay. So the protein structure will be changed. The option for this question is option D. Okay, moving into the next question. Which one of the following bases has the largest hydrogen bonding possibility? Yes, time up. Answer for this question is option B, guanine. Because guanine have 3 hydrogen bonding between cytosine. It forms base pair with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bonds. But if you say about cytosine, if cytosine is deaminated, then it will convert into uracil. So there is a possibility that cytosine can be changed to uracil. But guanine is having no such change. So we can always say the most appropriate one, that is guanine. Guanine forms the largest hydrogen bonding possibility. The next question is, glucose residues in amylose are linked by Okay, timer. The answer for this question is option B. That is alpha 1 for linkage. I know I don't want to explain this. You all know about this. So I am not going to explain this question. Moving into the next question. The interaction energy between atom A and B is approximately 400 kilojoule mole raised to minus 1. Then the type of interaction between them is yes, time up, and the the correct answer is option B. That is covalent bond. Always remember that it is the high energy bond forming between two atoms. So here from this itself we can identify which type of interaction is between A and B. The next question is, enzyme help to lower the activation energies of reaction by is timer, and the option for this question is option D, that is if enzyme help to lower the activation energies of reaction by. So normally if a reaction have to takes place this much activation energy, the enzymes will help to reduce the activation energy. So how they act? There will be no covalent interaction between substrate. After the reaction, the enzyme will be back to free enzyme from the enzyme substrate complex. So if it is a covalent interaction, then this dissociation will not take place. So we can eliminate this option. Then the second one is binding only with the solvent molecules. It's absolutely wrong because enzyme always binds with the substrate. Changing reaction equilibria. It is not the case, and always it forms a weak interaction with the substrate. So the option for the question is option D. Moving into the next question. The peptide C-alpha C-O NH C-alpha is planar due to. If you know Ramachandran plot, then this will be easy for you. And also there is no need of understanding Ramachandran plot. If you know about peptide bond, amide bond, etc., then you will definitely answer this question. So stop. Your answer for this question is option B, because we already studied in Ramachandran plot, that is the bond forming between the carbon and nitrogen is the peptide bond, and this bond have a double bond character. This double bond character give the peptide bond a planar structure and also a rigidity for this peptide bond. So the option is B. It is not C alpha N bond. It is C N bond. Don't mistake with C alpha N bond. It is the correct one. C N bond is the correct one. Okay. So this is the answer for this question. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will get more notifications when I upload new videos. Okay, bye. We can see in next video.